Welcome to this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the heart of Boynton Beach. A perfect choice for both homeowners and investors alike. Step inside and enjoy an open floor plan with updated luxury vinyl flooring throughout, creating a seamless and modern feel. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with crisp white cabinetry, sleek quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, ideal for everyday living or entertaining. Both bathrooms have been tastefully updated, featuring walk-in showers with stylish tile surrounds and contemporary finishes that add a touch of elegance. The bedrooms are well-sized and filled with natural light, enhanced by newer black-framed windows that lend a modern, polished look. Step outside to your own private patio and fenced backyard, surrounded by mature landscaping, a peaceful setting for outdoor relaxation or weekend gatherings. This well-maintained community also offers fantastic amenities, including a large pool, tennis court, and a playground area, something for everyone to enjoy. With its clean, neutral palette and quality updates, this move-in ready home reflects pride of ownership and offers comfort, style, and flexibility, all in a desirable Boynton Beach location close to shopping, dining, and major roads.